Today we are going to go over the order of operations. When you have a long problem to answer, what part do you do first? And there's a cute little abbreviation which is PEMDAS, which tells you all you need to know, right? PEMDAS. Another way to remember it is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Let's get into some examples. So there's really only two rules that you need to remember for the order of operations. The first one, of course, is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Rule number two is if you don't have all of these, if you only have, say, addition, or if you only have, say, subtraction, or if you only have multiplication, then you just go from left to right. Multiplication and division should be treated as the same type. Addition and subtraction should be treated as the same type. We only have addition and subtraction, and like I said, addition and subtraction can be considered as the same type. So we can just go left to right. 17 minus 5 equals 12, plus 3 is 15, minus 8 equals 7. Alright? Now, multiplication and division can be considered the same type, and if we have all the same type, then we can just go left to right. So that means 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. Alright, now we have a bunch of operations. We have some division, we have some addition, we have some multiplication. So we can't just simply go left to right because we have a bunch of them mixed in here. So the order of operation rule PEMDAS tells us that first we need to do anything in parentheses. But we don't have anything in parentheses, so let's move on. Next, we need to do anything with an exponent. We don't have any exponents, so let's move on. Now we need to do anything that has multiplication or division. Well, we see, start here, let's see, here's the multiplication. So we need to do this. And then division, we need to do this. Yeah? So that means 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that is 5 plus 6 equals 11, plus 2 is 13. Yeah. So we have a bunch of types here. So let's start with the P, no parentheses. Let's move on to exponents. Do we have exponents? Yes, we have an exponent here. So that means 3 plus 5 to the second power is 25 minus 6. And now we have addition and subtraction. We can just go left to right. So 3 plus 25 is 28 minus 6, 22. Alright, rule number 1 tells us we do what's in the parentheses first. So 1 plus 15 divided by 5, we need to do that first. Well, within this, we need to know what do we do first. And we go back to here, parentheses, exponents, no exponents in here. Multiplication, division, we do have division, so we do the division part first. So that gives us 1 plus 15 divided by 5 is 3, plus, do what's in the parentheses first, 3 minus 6 is negative 3 times 5. Parentheses gives us 4 plus negative 3 times 5. Now, parentheses, exponents, multiplication. We know we need to do the multiplication before we do this addition. So we have 4 plus negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. So if you follow the rules of adding and subtracting negative numbers, we know that this is 4 plus negative 15, which is negative 11. Alright. So this tells us we do what's in the parentheses first. So 7 minus 5, which is 2. Then we do the exponent. So 2 to the third power is 8. All right. So we have addition and subtraction, which means we could go left to right. But we also have parentheses. So we have to use rule number 1 and do what's inside the parentheses first. And we also have multiple parentheses. So to make it easy for you, I am going to make the parentheses that go together in a different color. I'm going to put them in a different color for you. So let's do what's inside the parentheses first. So that would be 2 plus 9 minus, and we're going to do this parenthesis first. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now we're going to do what's in this parentheses. 2 plus 9 minus 4, which is 5. And now we just have regular addition and subtraction. We go left to right. 2 plus 5 equals 7. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up so that others can see it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.